Did you know the first computer bug wasn't a metaphor? In 1947, computer pioneer Grace Hopper and her team found a literal moth stuck in the relays of the Harvard Mark II computer, causing it to malfunction. They taped the moth into their logbook and labeled it, "First actual case of a bug being found." While the term bug had been used before for technical glitches, this gave it a whole new meaning. Today, debugging is a cornerstone of programming. But it all started with a tiny insect in a massive machine. Debugging. From bugs to breakthroughs.